These days, we all rely on electronic devices for our daily activities. But when this happens, it's like everything comes to a standstill. But must recharging really be a problem? That's where Trencell comes in. It's time to switch to Trencell 3-in-1 magnetic charging cables. Even with one hand, you need absolutely no precision to recharge your devices. The cable automatically snaps and connects to your device. One cable can connect to all phone types. Super strong cables, which means no annoying cable breaks. Supports fast data transfers. Oh yeah, there is more. 540-degree rotation. Strong cable and phone bond. Gameplay friendly. Also supports fast charging and can also be used on multiple devices.